Just a quick tutorial of how to install Parallels Desktop for Mac. This is the version 20, the latest version, and it's completely free, a completely full version. So this is the virus total score of it, so it doesn't come back as having any viruses on it. I've personally had no issues. So first of all, we're going to open up settings. I can't show you where to download it from, but it might have been in the previous screen on a bookmark tab. So I'm currently on an M3 MacBook Air on version 15 of macOS Sequoia. So I'm going to go down to privacy and security and go right down to the bottom, as we're going to need to be here later. So we can go to the file that we've just downloaded and extract this file, and this file. So this is the actual installer, this is an activator, and this blocks some domains so it can't check certain things. So first of all, we're going to open this up, and we're going to hit install, open, and then we're going to need to put in our fingerprint or password, and then we're going to have to pop in our password again. If it asks if you'd like to update, click no. Allow everything it asks for, because it's just asking for file permissions for Windows, essentially. You can exit out of this, and then for the activation tool, we can open that up, drag that into applications, and then we can go into our applications folder and launch this. It's going to pop up with this. That's why we need to be here in settings, and we can click open anyway, and then open anyway, and pop your password in. Click install, password again, okay, and then that's all done. We can click exit, and then we can open up this. It's going to say the same error message, and then you can click open anyway in settings, open anyway again, password again, and then in here we're going to have to pop our password in for our Mac. And as soon as it says process completed, we can exit out of this, and we can close this down. We can close this down as well, and as well as the installer. You can delete all of this and eject all these three. So, and then we can head into the applications folder and we can drag the activator into the bin and get rid of that. So all the installers and stuff is completely gone. Now when we go to open Parallels Desktop, it'll think that it's a licensed version. It might ask for these permissions again. And then if you hit Parallels Desktop and account and license, you can see it's a permanent activated license.